Hello everyone. Open your General Knowledge book, page number 30. Our today's topic is Nobel Prize winners. The Nobel Prize, one of the most prestigious award. It's given for outstanding contribution in the field of physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature, peace and economic sciences. So in this page, Nobel Prize winner, the picture of Nobel Prize winners is given with their fields in which they are awarded the prize, and some clues, that means your help box is also given, so you have to identify the personality and its field and write the correct name in the given blanks. It's very easy and very interesting. I hope all of you enjoy. So before starting, please mention today's date. It's 31st August 2021, the last day of this month. Write the question number 1 and heading is name the followings. So first, he was the first Asian to win a Nobel Prize. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1993. So he is a very famous personality and his name is Rabindranath Tagore. Write down the correct spelling, Rabindranath Tagore. Now move to second. He won the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1968. His name is Hargobind Khorana. Third, he was only British Prime Minister to receive the Nobel Prize in Literature. So he was the only British Prime Minister who got the Nobel Prize in Literature. His name is Winston Churchill. Now, fourth, he was the co-recipient of the Nobel Peace Prize with Malala Yousafzai in 2014. He accompanied against child labor in India and elsewhere and advocate the universal right to education. He is also a very famous personality. His name is Kailash Satyarthi. Now move to the next page, page number 31. Fifth point, he won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2009. His name is Venki Ramakrishna. Now 6, you can identify her by the picture on